StockPulse Newsroom, talking Gold Springs Resource Corp today. That's GRC on the Toronto Venture Exchange, GRCAF on the OTCQB in the States as they resume drilling on their homestake hydrate discovery in Nevada. They run through the highlights of that campaign. CEO Antonio Canton. Antonio, thanks for the time here. Get the drills going down there in Nevada, always a good thing here. I'll want to get into that before we do. Maybe tell us a little bit about yourself and how the company came to be.
Yeah, so I've been in the company for 12 years as a director, and in 2001, in July, I became a CEO and one of the major shareholders in the company. And with 100% focus to move this project of 8,000 hectares in Nevada and Utah to a major target for big companies. Our main objective for management shareholders is to get to 3 million ounces to be a real target for the big company around us, which are Kinross, Newmont, Barrick, all the big mining company. So in 2001, we continue our drilling, and we have some very important discovery in 3 targets. And we have a resource update in May coming in, and we hope to hit these famous 6-digit numbers for 1 million ounces resource, which will be a very good step toward our objective of 3 million ounces. And we reduce all the administrative costs to spend nearly 95% of the financing directly in exploration, which is our main focus for our shareholders. And we put together, I think, a very interesting financial instrument for the investor to invest in the company with the collateral of the project to get a percentage of the sales of the project. And I think this is a very win-win situation for the shareholders, not to dilute them, and for the investor to get in an exploration gold mining company and get a collateral to a very short exit time, because we hope to, in the 24 next months, to be at 3 million ounces, and then work to get M&A or work with a big player to push the mining process in it. In parallel with the exploration, we've been really focused on getting the permit for the mine, which I think it's a very good asset for the major mining company to get a project with a PFS and the mining permit in hands, which I think it will be very good for the negotiation in the future. We have a very dedicated team. We started the 2022 drilling program last week in South Jumbo, where we have a very good discovery in the south of the property. And our target for 2022 is to increase our resources and put new resources target into the ounces we have. So that's the main story for 2022, and we have already a lot of big companies wanted to see us and have more information about our company.
Yeah, well, yeah, you're right in the middle of some good neighbors there, Antonio. So you're some high aspirations here. You're certainly in the right business, treasure hunting here. So yeah, I guess you laid out a big year here. So give us a little health check on the company as far as how much cash is in the till here to carry out your mission here. Are you okay for now? You got to go to the market, or what's the status there?
So we have like 4 million in cash, and we have as I said, we focus on this financial instrument. We raised already 3 million, and we have two other million waiting in it. And we're discussing with a lot of funds, which are maybe not the specialists in mining, but with this collateral we put together, it's very interesting for them because it gives us an opportunity to invest in a gold mining exploration company with a collateral and with a exit time which is very short, which is I will say unusual. And I think what is exciting also for the shareholders is we're trying to avoid dilution and then exploration company, it's a very difficult thing because it's about raising money, spending money, raising money, spending money. And with our objective and our financial instrument, we're trying to avoid that and be focused to this 2 years objective to get to 3 million ounces.
Okay, we'll certainly keep our eye on the wire for more news as you get it. That's President and CEO Antonio Canton, Gold Springs Resource Corp, GRC Toronto Venture Exchange, GRCAF, OTCQB in the States. Again, Antonio, thanks for taking the time, and we'll look forward to checking back in here and see how your drilling's going.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.